So I am at 20208 Nature's Spirit, and I'm going to just kind of pan through. So we are the third house in off of the street, and I'm not sure. I'm going to kind of go out here into the street. That is the community playground. So just down from that, just so you have an idea, it is trash day here, so everybody's trash cans are out. But I mean, I'm standing in the middle of the street, kind of panning around. It's very quiet, but this gives you an idea. Everybody's yard is well manicured, tree-lined streets. The houses are all different. It's not just cookie cutter. So kind of see if I can get this to pan out here. So I'm going to walk up the driveway. It's a 2-car garage. And you do have a paver. We've had a lot of rain, so a lot of the mulch has been shifted, but you have a paver front porch, and you do have a front porch area. So if you chose to put a swing or some chairs or anything out here, there's plenty of room. So we're gonna walk in the front door. Okay, so off the front door to the right-hand side, you have an office space. This is a dedicated office. I will say, whoever, let's see if I can get closer, they either didn't know how to paint the baseboards or they didn't know how to grout properly. We've got some, like over here, it's not finished. So whoever did this, didn't know what they were doing on this floor. So just know that. I think they probably went through and did the baseboards and painted the walls when they listed it. Here is your formal dining space. The walls in here don't look, or the floors in here don't look as bad. They absolutely pieced it over here. So whoever, I'm not sure if you can see that, whoever did this obviously didn't measure correctly. But other than that, the tile floors are beautiful. Just a few spots that they had imperfections on. You have a fireplace here. You do have ceiling fans in most every window. Kitchen. You have granite. Counters. Not soft close. Oh, that's nice. So you have some cabinet inserts. Definitely needs to be cleaned. Wow, huge pantry. Windows, window casings here, right off to give your kitchen natural light. So dishwashers with a sink. And then you still have an eating space here off the kitchen. Back here, you have your pool bath, because there would be your door to go out. So you would have a full bathroom here, and then you have a bedroom over here. So this could be a guest room with a pool bath. Again, we have some minor issues over here where they did not know what they were doing with the floor. And the closet, the same kind of deal. We're gonna go ahead and go outside. The screen is tore up here. Not that you really need that screen because the rest of the lanai is screened, so this screen is really a wasted screen. You have some industrial fans out here. You do have, some green space here fenced in. So, sorry, it's a little soggy from the rain. So you do have some green space. So if you have a dog, there's plenty of room for the dog to run around. You are on the pond. So, and there's a 4-foot fence back there so that you can still see the pond, but you don't have to worry about anything coming into you. The pool looks like it's in decent condition. It just needs to be cleaned. It is a vacant house. So, and then they do have a gate back here, I guess, so that their dog didn't get back here. It looks like there's a shed back here on the side. Here we go. So there is a shed there. I don't know what that is. So maybe that's where they kept their lawnmower. Okay. So, and this is all pavers as well. So off the kitchen, you have a half bath. And then over here you have a laundry room. So this laundry room is huge. So you have your laundry room over here, where your washer and dryer and your tub. But then over here you have plenty of storage. So it's a great space. Great amount of space here. Garage. They have a lot of storage things in here in the garage as well. Hurricane safe garage door. Your irrigation system for the yard is there. Electrical panel, and of course your water heater. So everything is here. And apparently they had something that came in and out of the garage door. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go upstairs. And there's I can't tell if it's a crack or if it just needs to be restained in the wood. The landing here and the steps are wood. Also the banister, but I will say the banister is really tacky. This one's not. This one's not tacky, but this one really is. So I don't know if it just needs to be cleaned or we need to polyurethane. But you do have the nice wrought iron spindles. Okay, so at the top of the steps to the left is the master suite. You have 2 large closets. Now this one does not have anything in it as far as shelving. I don't know what they had in it, but it's gone now. But this I would assume is her closet, and then this would be his closet. So a lot of closet space in the home. Here is the master, and the view out the master, I would assume you would put your bed here against this wall, and then you would overlook the pond out these windows. So it does have blinds that go, so there are that. And then to the left, we have the master bath. area, shower. So there is a step up and then a large shower area here. You have a sunken tub, a linen closet, and your potty room. We have a guest room in here with a large walk-in closet. Good sized bedrooms. Carpet, I don't know if it's new. It doesn't seem to be brand new, but it's in good condition. Another walk-in closet. And I feel like all the walls have been freshly painted this tan color. Here is double sinks and bathroom. And here, linen closet in this bathroom as well. And that's on an automatic light. You have a large closet in here. So plenty of storage. Another good sized bedroom with closets. They love these. They did this in all of their closets. Oh, well, that closet door is not actually on. So there's that. Yeah, this isn't sticky. It's just that one handrail that's sticky. And I guess this is your media room. There's not a closet. The closet actually has the AC handler, so this would not be a closet. I would say you could put a movie projector and things like that. It's got a ceiling fan in here. I don't see, any water leakage or anything on the ceilings. So I don't feel like there's any roof leaks or anything like that. But this is a good size space that you could definitely make as a media room in the future. All right, so that is the entire house. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will answer them. Okay, so I was gonna flip you to the other side, but it's not letting me. So, all right, I will talk to you soon. Thanks, bye.